Women will go to all kinds of lengths to get the look of lush eyelashes. From false lashes to semi-permanent extensions, these techniques could destroy your eyelashes. Health specialist Denise Dador shows us what you can do to protect and maybe even replenish what lashes you have left.
Lash extensions instantly give women the look of lush lashes.
For the most part, they can be a great asset to a makeup artist.
Beauty expert Rianne Silva says semi-permanent lashes look great at first, but after a while.
I was seeing a lot of celebrities that would come in and have chunks missing, or they would be itching their eyes and trying to scratch them off and pulling them off, and would leave holes.
Unlike the hair on your scalp, it doesn't have as long of a growth phase.
Hair restoration specialist Dr. Paul McAndrews says lashes regenerate every 3 to 4 weeks, but they're quite delicate. Constant pulling left this patient with very few lashes.
Long term, if it continues to get constant trauma, you're going to destroy the hair follicle.
Experts say even if you don't get lash extensions, things women do every day, like removing caked-on mascara, curling their lashes, or even using fake lashes, can traumatize your hair follicle.
Don't rip them off. Yeah, it hurts and you'll lose a few lashes.
Silva recommends an oily makeup remover to loosen eyelash glue and break down mascara. Keep lash curlers clean so they don't stick. And you don't have to abandon lash extensions. Silva is a customer herself. Her advice? Find someone who doesn't use a harsh or brittle glue.
She used an adhesive that is like a medical adhesive, kind of a protein-based adhesive that was very gentle, and I didn't have any problems.
Prevention is the best medicine, but if you're already lacking in the lash department, new products offer hope in a tube.
One's called Revitalash and one's Jan Marini's, and they have prostaglandin analogs in them.
Dr. McAndrews says the idea came from glaucoma medications that contain prostaglandin analogs. The drops gave patients a peculiar side effect.
The prostaglandin analog has been shown to cause the hair to get thicker and to grow a little bit longer.
But there hasn't been enough research into these products to know if they'll work for everyone. That's why protecting the lashes you have right now is so important. Denise Dador, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Man, you got to have a steady hand for that stuff.
Aren't you glad you don't have to deal with these things?
Mark and I would have to do that. Absolutely.